Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brighton. We are dealing with bearing. Thank you also for your views and support. Without you, this channel cannot grow. Okay, but I'm glad because you are giving me tremendous support. Okay, let's dive into the task which we have here. The question says convert 310 degrees to a compass bearing. This one 310 is true bearing or three figure bearing. So we want to express it as a compass bearing. In the second question also it says convert 125 degrees to compass bearing. 125 degrees is also true bearing or three figure bearing. Okay, so I've drawn diagrams here to help us to deal with what we have here. So 310 degrees starts, remember true bearing or three figure bearing starts from the north clockwise. So this arc here, starting from north line up to here, represents the 310 degrees. So for us to get the compass bearing, to convert 310 degrees to compass bearing, we must know the size of this angle here, this one. So for us to get the size of this angle, remember, here is one revolution, adds up to 360 degrees, 360 degrees. So for us to get this angle between the north and this line here, we will say 360 degrees minus 310, and we get 50 degrees. So our compass bearing will be north 50 degrees west. So we face north and then turn this 50 degrees here. This one is the 50 degrees here. Okay, towards west. So it's N 50 degrees west. And then here, this diagram for the second question, we want to convert 125 degrees to compass bearing. So 125 degrees also starts from north. Remember, it's three figure bearing. North 10 clockwise up to this line here. That's 125 degrees. So for us to change this 125 degrees to compass bearing, we must know the size of this angle. Okay. But remember, from north to south, we have 180 degrees. So for us to get the size of this one, we say 180 degrees minus 125, we get 55 degrees. So this one is 55 degrees. Okay. So our compass bearing will be south 55 degrees east. Okay. Starting from south and then 55 degrees towards east to reach this line. Okay, thank you for watching. Meet you in the next videos.